Hi friends, I'm Savi. How to get a 9 band in the listening section of the IELTS examination. Friends, it is very easy to get a full score in the IELTS listening section. How long is this section for? The listening is among the 4 sections of the IELTS examination. The total time of the listening exam is 40 minutes, in which for 30 minutes you will listen to the recording and you will have 10 minutes to transfer your answers from the question paper to the answer sheet. Now, I am going to give you 2 tips today which will help you to crack the listening section. Follow my tips and practice. It is always good to have an extra support or somebody to give you more suggestions to do well in the examination. Tip number 1. Read the questions carefully. For 3 reasons. When you begin the listening section, they give you some time to read the question. This helps you to visualize the situation. You can imagine the speakers, what the topic is going to be. And when you read the questions, you get a quick idea of what is it about. This helps you to write the answers as you listen. So tip number 1 is, when the time is given to you in the beginning of the section to listen to the questions, read the question, make use of the time. Tip number 2. As you are listening to the recording, keep jotting all the answers. Remember, you do not get, I repeat, you do not get extra time to listen or extra chance to listen to the recording again. So jot down all the answers as you are listening. You have time towards the end, the 10 minutes, you can utilize it to transfer the right answers to the answer sheet. So friends, keep these 2 tips in mind, practice and crack the IELTS listening test. Get a full band score of 9. For more support and expert suggestions, contact us. Our number and contact details are provided below. Wish you all the best.